Hello students, good morning all. We are learning about birds. We have learned about figures of birds and beaks of different birds. Now the same way you will see different birds have different feet and claws. So according to their feet and claws, birds are also classified into some types. Okay, so in today's period we are going to learn about the same. All birds have two feet. Each foot generally has four complete claws. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, to hook, to catch their food. Also protect themselves from their enemies. Claws are useful for the birds to catch and hold their food. Now we see about types of birds according to their feet and claws. So number one, perching. Some birds have their toes, which is helpful for them to hold the branch of the tree firmly, to rest or even to sleep without falling. This act is called as perching. And the birds, those who are doing the same act, they are known as perching birds. Perching birds like pigeon, sparrow, crow, they have three toes in front and one is behind, which is helpful for them to curl around the branch of a tree. Now next, praying birds or birds of prey. Birds like eagle, hawk, kite, vulture, their toes are very strong and sharp. These birds are flesh-eater birds. These birds are praying birds. These birds have very strong and sharp claws, which is helpful for them to catch and tear the flesh of small animals like rat, snake, frog. These strong and sharp claws are known as talons. Now next, climbing birds. Birds like parrot and woodpecker, they have two toes pointing upward and two toes pointing downward, which are helpful for them to climb on the trunk of a tree or to hold the branch. These birds are known as climbing birds. Now next, scratching birds. Birds like hen, peacock, quill, they use their feet to dig and to search the buried seeds and insects. They have three toes in front and one at back with sharp claws, which is helpful for them to scratch on the ground. Now next, swimming birds. Water birds like duck, geese, swans, they have wet feet to swim in water. They have three toes in front, which are joined with gills and giving wedge-like appearance. These webbed feet help them to paddle and push the water back while swimming. Now next, that is wading. Birds that can walk over the shallow water are known as wading birds. Birds like crane, heron, and paddy birds are wading birds. They have thin and long feet with wide spreading toes. Now next, that is running bird. An ostrich is known as running bird. It cannot fly. It has long and strong legs for running. An ostrich is only one bird who has only two toes in each foot. Okay, so today's period we have learned about different kinds of birds according to their feet and claws. Okay, so read the lesson properly. Now I'll give you new words. That new words you have to copy in your notebook. Recite them. Number one, perching. Number two, talons. Number three, scratching. Number four, webbed. And number five, wave. Okay.